Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reconcile accounts in Zoho Books. This simple and straightforward process helps keep your financial records accurate and up to date. First, sign into Zoho Books. Open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books webpage. Then click the Sign In button in the top right corner. You can also sign in using Google, which is a quick way to log in without remembering extra passwords. Select the Google account linked to your Zoho Books account. Once logged in, navigate to the Banking tab. This is where all your financial transactions are managed. Click on your bank account to view the detailed transactions. At the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Click it and select Reconcile Account. Next, click Reconcile. You'll be prompted to enter your closing balance from your most recent bank statement. Make sure to double-check this amount for accuracy, then click Start Reconciliation to enter the reconciliation environment where you'll match your bank statement with the entries in Zoho Books. Adjust any mismatched entries and aim to get the difference to zero, ensuring your books and bank statements are perfectly aligned. Once everything balances, hit Reconcile to finalize the process. This locks in your changes and updates your account status, keeping your financial records accurate. And that's it. With a little practice, reconciling accounts in Zoho Books becomes second nature and is vital for maintaining clean financial records. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Zoho Books tutorials and tips.